I like Saturdays in the rocket summer, blue skies in the morning's air. Oh, I like you, you like me. There's something wrong with this picture. Let's turn it upside down so we can see the insecurities caused by the last 4 years of economic downsizing in the eastern U.S. I like February long with Tilly and the wall, pretty pictures and shirts that are too small for my childlike figure that you're so in love with. I like the autumn's leaves and bright eyes, eternal sunshine of the spotless mind. Stand strong in my favorites of all time, along with you and your technicolor.